Hey everyone! Bake a delightful dessert with your immigrant chef. Traditional Turkish Kataifi Muhallebi. Start by combining 1 liter of milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of starch, 1 and 1.5 cups of sugar, and 1 egg yolk in a pot. Stir it constantly until the mixture thickens. Then set it aside to cool. Once it's cooled down a bit, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1.5 cup of cream. Stir it well and let it cool completely. Next, take your kadayıfı and stir it with butter until it's evenly coated. Layer the kadayıfı at the bottom of your serving dish. Then pour the muhallebi mixture on top. I absolutely love this recipe. It's rich, creamy, and has a wonderful texture from the kadayıfı. The combination of sweet, velvet muhallebi with the buttery, crispy kadayıfı is simply irresistible. I am sure you will love it as much as I do. Enjoy!